G'day folks, just thought you might enjoy this little clip. What we have here is a well-known Australian snake, constrictor. This is a diamond python or eastern diamond python, and she or he is out really early because it's still winter here in Australia. We get about 2 weeks before spring comes. Snakes usually wait till the weather warms up a lot more before they start getting active. You know, usually summer at least, or mid to late spring. With this beautiful girl, I'm going to call it a girl, don't know why. She's happily sitting here in this nice bit of sun on this pile of timber here, palings and of wood. There was a little skink running around here before, so you better watch out for itself. It was all stretched out in the sun before. Now she's warmed up nicely and it's curled up into a nice little knot. Yeah, it's really early for a snake to be out, but geez, you can't keep track of the weather at the moment. Don't know what it's doing. Anyway, when it was all stretched out, I reckon 7 or 8 foot. This is a very long, fully grown diamond python. A bit skinny, as you'd expect. It's been hibernating through a lot of wet and a lot of cold. So she's probably hungry. It's in good nick, but a little skinny for a snake its size. And yeah, she'll be warming up and then hopefully get herself a meal if that skink's still around. Isn't that beautiful? It's all tied up now. Yeah, out very early. So yeah, that's a eastern diamond python. A very nice example of one too. See ya.